There's Pipster eating big boy food. Yay, Pipster. Usually Piper's having some too. But that little yellow chicken is so full. Look at that belly. Oh my gosh, you ate so much. Yeah, and you kept coming for more. I said, no, I think if I give you any more, your little balloon belly is just gonna go pop, pop. Is that good stuff? Avicakes? Yum. And there's Pippi sitting there like a swan. Gets all flat. Right by the warm bowl. Good birds. Uh-oh, we have a kitty cat. Back. It says small flightless birds. Alright, bye birdies.